Okay, so we've just hit the cleaning button and it's been through the cleaning cycle. So at this point now the machine is cleaned. It's got rid of the moisturizing fluid that was in there overnight, and then from this point onwards we're going to do a nozzle check. Now different consoles will do this differently. At any point also you can do this through your print manager software also to perform the clean or the nozzle check. In this scenario, only due because there's different print managers, I'm just going to do this through my machine, which is hitting the menu button and then hitting the nozzle check button. So once we do this, it's going to print us a copy of the nozzle check, and this is where we're going to inspect the quality of the heads and hoping that we've got a nice even color bars and no missing pieces in our color check. So if we go across to the result there, we can see that the nozzle check is good and all our bits are ready. We do have to make sure also that we do put a coloured bit of card or something underneath so we can see the white. Even that is a little hard to see, but believe me, it is there and they all are printing fine. So once we're at this point here, we can begin printing once we see the nozzle check is good. If we had any further issues with the quality, we can decide to do a further clean, or we could then decide to put some of the blue solution in, which is the heavy print head cleaner. This shouldn't be used really unless it's needed. So unless the result of the nozzle check was really bad, we probably wouldn't be touching this particular fluid. Just to finish off, at the very end of the day, after you have finished printing, it would be the same cycle in reverse. We would put our head over to the left hand side. We wait for the capping station to go down, like so. We take that across. We fill up the cap tops with the moisturizing solution. And the other couple of points to make clear also is you should always try and keep this this capping station here nice and clean. The cleaner it is, the better it will go. Also, at the end of each day, I would also suggest to give the wiper blade a nice wipe, any excess ink. The other important part to keep clean on a daily basis is around the the rubber stoppers or rubber gasket around the cap tops. This is to make sure that we get a nice seal. There does tend to get a bit of an ink build up around these seals, so it is very important to keep these cleaned every day. So once we've done that, we've cleaned our wiper blade, we've cleaned the seals, we've got our cap tops filled with the cleaning solution. We now hit the enter button. This is now going to cap up, so the caps are now going to seal up underneath the bath of the heads, and that is now complete, ready for us to turn the printer off, and we don't need to do any more until the morning when we start the machine up again.